Hello there, my friend. Today you get to meet the letter E. So many exciting things in our world start with this letter, E. Try to construct the letter as it looks on the sketch. E. Tap a picture. This'll be fun. Would you like to know what's hidden in this picture? Press the letter E. Look at this big truck with its huge scooper. This is called an excavator. An excavator's biggest job is digging into the ground. Some special excavators can work in the water or swamps. The letter E is lost. Find it and put the letter in its place. This is the planet we live on, the Earth. Earth is shaped like a sphere. It's squashed just a little bit. The Earth was formed billions of years ago. Most of the Earth is covered by water, a whole 70% of it. The Earth is the only planet in the solar system where we know there is life. Find the letter E, and let's find out what's hidden in this picture. This animal is called an earthworm. Earthworms like to live in soft, wet dirt. They live everywhere on Earth, except in Antarctica. Earthworms don't have lungs, teeth, or eyes, but they have up to 10 hearts. Find the letter E, and let's find out what's hidden in this picture. This is the elephant, the largest land mammal you'll ever see. Their long noses are called trunks, and elephants use them for more than breathing and smelling things. They can shake hands, drink, wash, and paint. An elephant is even smart enough to understand human speech. Find the letter E, and let's find out what's hidden in this picture. Here we have an engine. It uses energy to do useful work. Engines are the most important part in all vehicles, like cars and trains. If you don't have an engine, your vehicle can't go anywhere. The most powerful engines are rocket engines. Find the letter E, and let's find out what's hidden in this picture. This is the majestic eagle. This bird is a symbol of courage, bravery, and pride. Eagles love freedom and can reach speeds of up to 200 miles per hour. Eagles have incredible vision that lets them see prey from 2 miles in the air. The letter E is lost. Find it and put the letter in its place. This fish with a snake-like body is called an eel. Eels only eat during the warmer months of the year. When the first frost comes, they go hungry until the spring arrives. Eels prefer to hunt at night. They burrow into the river or seabed during the day. Find the letter E, and let's find out what's hidden in this picture. Look, it's an echidna. Its whole body is covered with rough hair and needle-like spines, and its snout is like a tube. Echidnas live in Australia and New Guinea. When the echidna senses danger, It burrows down into the ground so that its enemy sees nothing but spines. The letter E is lost. Find it and put the letter in its place. This is an emu. The emu is Australia's largest bird. It has wings, but it can't fly. It can run fast, though, and can even swim well. But emus can't walk backwards. Australia uses them as their national bird, as a symbol of forward movement.